Good morning friends. Today we are going to see how can we install Mobizen for screen recording and editing. So for this you can use this Android mobile for downloading this app. I am going to discuss about this Android version only today. Okay, for this first you have to open the Google Play. You have to go to Google Play Store. In this you go for editor's choice. Okay, in this you just type Mobizen. I have already typed and kept. So you have to download this only, because this particular Mobizen software is given for editor's choice. So it is a original version. You don't go for other duplicates like this. Okay, it is the best screen recording app. Okay, now you press this install button. So after pressing this install button, you can see it is getting ready for installation. Before that, if you want to go to screen recorder making and videos shooting methods you want to see, you can use this icon to open this. Now it is getting ready. Please wait for some time. It is a 23 MB file only. It is given as a 4.2 star, so it's not working well as I think. Now it will be showing the screen like this. Please be patient. It is giving that if you want to proceed further, you have to press this welcome button. So it is adjusting our play quality, and it is a one-time process, so we have to wait for some time. If you want to get the 1 month free trial for premium version only, you have to go for this. So you just give no free trial. Okay, no trial. So automatically you will be getting an icon like this in your screen. So this is the icon. After getting this icon, you just press this. So Mobizen ad circle will be popping out. So you can move it anywhere inside the screen and can keep. And if you want to close, you can just bring it here. Now first click this Mobizen icon. So you will be getting the video pop out. So in this ad circle, if you press this, you will be getting 3 icons. This is for taking videos as well as stopping the same video. This is settings button. This is the camera button. So when you are opening it for the first time, you just press. So it will ask allow Mobizen to access photos, medias and files on your device. Just give allow for the first time. And for recording audio, you have to give allow only. So after finishing this, it will start capturing everything that is displayed on your screen. So you have to give this for start now. It's for first time only. Afterwards it won't ask you. Okay, you will be getting free ads. You don't worry about those things. Now we will see how can we use the settings options. Okay, first click this Mobizen icon. So we'll bring it here. Now if you press this, you can see the settings button. You press that. So in this is given for videos, and this one is for images, and this one is for video, and this one is for settings. Now we will do the settings first. Now if you go inside this video settings, you can see the resolution is by default it is 720 pixels. Okay, now if you want to change this resolution, you have to press this. You can change it up to 1080 or 720 pixels or whatever you want, you can set, but the normal adapted quality is 720 pixels is safe and to use. So you can auto adjust the quality if you want. Now when we are talking about this quality, so this is how many megabytes is recorded per second. So let it be 5. It's a best quality for any video. If you want, you can adjust. There are some more 10 or 12 adjustments are there. So I have set it to 5. And how many frames you are going to set for a video per second. So it can take 60 frames or 50 frames, whatever you want you can change, but the auto adjustment quality mode is best for picturizing any video or recording any video. Okay, now we will go back to, now we are coming to clean recording mode. So what does this means? So this means that this option hides this air bubble, air circle we are showing, no, this one will be hidden. And if you are having any watermarks or the time displayed in this air circle will be displayed, will be cut off from the vision. Okay, and you can subset your face cam untouched display to create a cleaner video. Okay, so this is the option, this is the use of this. So now if you give enabled, what will happen? So if you, so it will give you some notification, like on some devices it may even may not be having the screen recording mode. So in that condition you have to keep it off, otherwise it will be okay for to use. So let us select this enabled option. Now we will see what is happening. Now when we are pressing this and start recording, so it will be showing this screen. Check your status bar to stop your recording. So in that time you have to check your status bar for stopping the recording. You will not be seeing this air bubble after you start recording. If you start recording, you will not be shown this air bubble anywhere inside the screen. Now you have to drag your notification bar, and here you can see the recording is in progress. Now you have to press this to stop your recording. So after stopping this recording, automatically the air circle will be shown to you. Okay, that's the thing.